Hi, hello everyone. If you are thinking about creating a vision board for 2026 but you don't know how to follow it, how to create roadmap for this, then this video is definitely for you. If you are confused about what kind of person you want to become in 2026, what kind of goals you actually want to achieve, how you want to carry yourself, then listen carefully. Most of the time, we want to keep everything in our mind related to our future and career, but honestly, we cannot keep everything in our mind. So, you need to write it down, a journal or on any paper जहाँ पे वो daily आपको दिखता रहे so that you don't self sabotage every time you want to create something new. आप अपने routines को daily follow कर पाओ. Step 1. Go to Pinterest, create a collage of photos that represent your dream life, your goals, that matches your energy. Step 2. Come to ChatGPT and type this prompt or bus your roadmap is ready. You want to add any extra things like goals, habits or timelines, you can just incorporate that in your journal. Dream life is not something you imagine. It is designed, written, and repeated daily. That's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. And I wish you Happy New Year in advance.